I'll guide you through sharing your Snapchat Plus subscription with up to 3 friends without them paying a penny. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. To share your subscription with 3 friends, the most important requirement is that you must be an active Snapchat Plus subscriber to receive the sharing feature. You receive 3 buddy passes at the start of every billing cycle, so use them to offer friends a complimentary 7-day trial. Unused passes do not roll over. They expire when your next cycle begins, so make a plan to share them before then. Here is a step-by-step process to send a pass. Before you begin, ensure that you and your friends all have your Snapchat apps updated to the latest version. Open the Snapchat app and tap your Bitmoji profile icon in the top left corner. Tap the yellow Snapchat Plus banner to access the subscription management page. Tap the Send Buddy Passes button to initiate the sharing process. Select up to 3 friends who are not currently subscribers. Send the buddy passes to deliver the invite link through chat. Your friends will instantly unlock all premium features so they can experience the app with perks like story rewatch counts and the BFF pen. Remember, once you send the buddy pass, you cannot take it back, so choose your recipients carefully. If your friend is having issues redeeming the pass, try resending the invitation. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for more Snapchat video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.